Having trouble restarting your Alexa without doing a full reset? Don't worry, you won't lose your settings with these steps. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to restart your Alexa the right way without resetting anything. So let's jump right in. Method 1. Restart the Alexa using the power cord. Unplug the power cord from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds and then plug it back in. Wait a few moments for it to boot up and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Method 2. Using voice commands. Say Alexa start. After restarting, your device will confirm that the restart is over. Method 3. Using the Alexa app. Open the Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on the device's icon below. It looks like a bulb. Now tap on your Echo device name. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Then scroll down a bit. After that, tap on Restart Device, and it will restart your device. And that's how you can restart your Alexa without a factory reset. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.